Okay, dear students, today our chapter name is Gravitation and Gravity. Okay, and we'll learn some formula which are related to this chapter. Whenever you wanna solve any type of mathematics related to gravitation and gravity, you have to apply this formula. Okay, let's start. Okay, m equal to small g r square over capital G. If you know the capital G and capital R, then you may find out the mass of the earth. Yeah, remember, mass of the earth is capital M, and use of gravitational constant. This is actually a constant value, and G is acceleration due to gravity, and R is the radius of the earth. Okay, another formula capital M equal to 4 pi square small r square r cube over capital G t to the power square. You know the T value G capital G. It is the periodic time. Periodic time R is the distance between the earth and another object. Okay, and 4 pi square. And another formula E G equal to capital F over M. M is the mass of another object. Okay, and F is the attraction force between earth and another object is the intensity. Another formula V minus capital G capital M over R. This is the potential. Okay, this is the potential. Try to understand and try to remember. This is the potential. Okay, and for determining the potential, you have to use the minus sign. Another formula. This is actually velocity of any scale velocity. Due to find the scale velocity, you have to use this formula. Okay, v equal to root 2 capital G m over r. Okay, and another formula you make is v equal to root 2 small g r. Yes, just r is the radius of the earth, and g is the universal gravitational constant, m is the mass of the. If you just know the mass of the earth and the radius of the earth and universal gravitational constant g, you can find your escape velocity. Okay, let alone this formula. Just think about this formula. You just know the radius of the earth, you will find out the escape velocity. Acceleration due to gravity, that is actually known to you. What is the amount of acceleration due to gravity? And you have to know what is the radius of that. Radius of the earth is a 6 into 10 to the 24 meter. And B, another formula is this is actually velocity of any earth or of any satellite. This is the velocity of any earth, of any planet, or of any satellite, not a scale velocity. This is a scale velocity. It's the potential, and this is the actually velocity of any satellite. And for determining that velocity, we just know the universal gravitational constant G, which is 6.67 into 10 to the minus 11 unit, and is the mass of the earth. Okay, which is 6 into 10 to the 24 kg, and r is the radius of the earth. You just know the radius of the earth, then you may find out the velocity. And you have to know the height, h. Okay, height, which is the distance between the surface of the earth and the object. Okay, this is another row, and these are the actually total formula, derivation and then chapter related. This let's color formula I want to discuss now. Okay, yes, so V equal to root G prime R plus H bracket. R is the radius of the arc, H is the height. Okay, here V equal to R or root G over R plus. Again and again, I say what is R. Okay, what does R mean? R is the radius of the arc, and H is the height. And the formula V equal to, this is the velocity. This is also the formula velocity V equal to 2 pi r plus h over t. Here, new symbol, the periodic time. Okay, periodic time t. And another formula V equal to 2 pi r plus h over t. And t equal to, if you want to find out the value of t, you may apply this formula t equal to 2 pi bracket r plus h root r plus h over gm. Just the gravitational constant, universal gravitational g, and the mass of the earth, and the radius of the earth, and the height. You will find out the period time. Okay, and height. This is h means height. If you wanna find out the height of any satellite from the surface of the earth, you just apply this formula, where you need just the mass of the earth and use the gravitational constant and the period time and the radius of the earth. Okay, and you have to remember this formula. If you can remember this formula, you may apply this and find out the scheme any type of arithmetical problem. And this formula h equal to g m t square over 4 pi square bracket 1 by 3 minus r. Okay, okay, nice. And among this formula, you just remember this formula. First formula f equal to g m1 into g square, g equal to capital G m over r square, g prime equal to g m over r plus s whole square, g prime equal to 1 minus 2h over r into g. Another formula, okay, I did not say g lambda equal to g minus omega square capital R cos square lambda. It's another formula for finding out the acceleration due to gravity. Just open the book and try to read related this formula from a book. I mean, I am sure you may understand this. And from this row, you may remember b equal to root 2gr b equal to gm over r plus h root. Okay, and from this row, you may remember t equal to 2 pi r plus h bracket root r plus h over gm. Another formula is equal to gmt square over 4 pi square bracket 1 power on the 3 minus r. Okay, these are very interesting and very essential formula for understanding the gravitational and gravity related mathematical problem. And whenever you face to solve any type of PT question, then you use this formula. Just put the value of g, a, d, a, and you may get the you record quantity. Okay, that's all today. Islam.